All right, everybody. Today we'll be doing the roasted Vulnnet. Um, Once again, we have RIP. Looks like it's 10.66.109.17. This guy right here, that's us. And this is the one we'll be attacking 10.66.7174.27. All right, let's see what start this guy off with. We do a in-map scan. So we're going to do in. Oh, first, let's probably get into the terminal. There we go. In map. You can do the capital P, lowercase n. Only want 4 counts. Version. Oh, lowercase s, capital B. It's an RIP. Ooh, RIP address, which will be 10. Or not RIP, the attacking IP 66.174.27. Let's give that a go. Alright, now that we got that finally loaded. Excuse me. Alright. Now that's finally loaded, we can do see what we got up in here. Ooh. Start from the top. Jeez, we got a lot of ports open, huh? We have SMBs. Alright, let's try to do a little targeting. Let's do excuse me. Dash in, enter. See what we get. Cool, cool. Look at these. These look pretty interesting. Hmm. Wonder if I can. So these two right here, two discs are anonymous discs that if I was a attacker I would probably target. Um, so we're gonna do a SB client. Put that in. Let's go for the share. Share. And do dash. So we went ahead and yeah, look up Sid Anonymous. Find it right here. So could we put in right here, Anonymous? It's gonna pop up with a enter our password prompt right here. And you're not gonna actually put anything in here, you're just gonna click enter. And once you click enter, we're gonna have all this pop up. So using this, we see a bunch of the Vulnets, like Vulnnet RSTs. Looks to be our domain. So let's go ahead and once we do this, we gotta ask for permission. So let's get some usernames. Was that 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah, we can do 4 usernames. Let's go, and we can create a text file. Should be where did text file? Here we go. Text editor. Alright, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these users into this, which should be J Wheat J Golden Hand. We got T Skid. We have a white hat. There we go. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and save this. Oh jeez. Do I really not know how to save this? Let's see if we can find out where that just saved to. Oh, here's my now it's one. Okay. All right. And we're gonna do should we let's do users. User file.text. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and put it on the desktop. User file.text. There you go. Okay. Now that we have a text file made, we're gonna have to CD into the desktop. Here we go. Just like that. Alright, now we're going to use a command to basically ask for permission using that text file we made. So we're going to do a get user, capital U, user, Vulnnet .rst, our domain right here, .local. User file, it's the name of our file we made. So this might contradict, but I should work. User file, user file.txt. User file.txt is our text file that we made. Therefore, you can name it anything you want. But in a case like this, it kind of a little confusing. And obviously, we do no password. Pass that. tc.ip and followed by 10.66.162.165. Let's go ahead and get that in. See if we see. Hashcat John. But we did get a error, so let's use your file. That's our error. Users file. Still got another error. It's probably that text file I made. Let's look into that real quick. User file.txt. User file.txt. Vulnnet RST local. User file.txt, so it's having a hard time. Let's there we go, right there. Okay, so doing a quick little ls search was able to see that we're missing our text file. Let's go ahead and change. I'm going to go ahead and change the user file to username. Text and go back to desktop. There we go. Now going back up. We just have to replace our text file name once more to username.text and give it enter. Why are we having an issue? Let's see why we're Kerberos. I think my machine might have crashed out on us. Let's see. Alright, let's check out what domain. Ten, 66, 162.165. Okay. Vulnnet. Right there. There we go. Use it. Sometimes Vulnnet. We're just missing an N. See if I fixed everything beforehand too. See local username. 62, 65. Get NP users. Phone. No, that wasn't it either. Or did I? Oh, man. IP username. 1066, 162, 165. All right. So we are missing an N on Vulnnet right there. And that's why we kept getting an error. Um, but as you can see, if you read this, user J Lee, user J Goldenhand, and another user down here. But what we're gonna use is we're gonna use this hash that we have gotten. We're gonna go ahead and copy that. And from there we can use John to crack this hash, and in order to do that, let's go ahead and make a text file. Create a new. Alright. Go ahead and paste this hash that we have into the text file right here. And go ahead and save. And we're just gonna, I guess we're just gonna do hash. Hash, not text. Go to desktop, desktop. Yes, indeed, we are save. Go ahead, close that out. And back in your terminal, we can enter the John command. So, John, and dash dash word list equals slash user USR share word list rock u.txt. Right there. Alright, so this is our password that we just cracked. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just copy that. Let's let's put in username. Just a little spot to alright. Now to reset that password. So we are going to go into the SMB client. Dash 10.66.162.165 hash log on. Is it gonna be dash user t dash skid? And then remember that password we got. This is where you'd enter it. So TJ0728889. Don't forget that star. See, now we are in the SMBI. So we're gonna go ahead and get reset password dot VBS. Okay, and we're just going to exit out of that. Now that we've created a copy, let's go ahead and read that. Cat reset password.exe. Oh, not exe, VBS. Look at that right there. That is something we want to see. So we found password. Let's go ahead, copy that, and let's go ahead and put it back in the. Let's go ahead and copy all this actually. Go ahead. So now we got that. All right. Now let's look into the show. Remember, user. White hat was the user password we found. And we're gonna go ahead and see if I can. And looks like we're in. Let's check this out. To the windows. SP password. Ah, oh. Remote manager. You a white hat. Hash the password. Okay. What am I missing here? Let's go ahead and try this. Windows Remote Manager. Dash no code. 66-162-165. User administrator. And let's go ahead and see if we can. Oh, we didn't. So we actually can't do that because we did not get our hash. Let's see something quick. We're gonna do this again. Evil Windows Remote. Let's see, issue 162, 165, 6 user. Ah, looks like that's might be our issue right here. There we are in now. Oh, now since we're in as that user, we can go ahead. Let's get out of here. So, what am I doing here? Jeez. Okay. Now remember that didn't I don't remember if we did a secret dump. Uh, I guess we did not. I guess we skipped that, which is we need a secret dump to get that um we have to get that the hash in that third aqua. In order to get in as a administrator, log into the website, we need that NTLM hash. So this is the code you can use to get into that. Let's do a secret dumps, secrets. Don't forget the S. Secrets dump. Vulnnet should be two N's in that as well. rst.local dash a white hat followed by his password. And oh, admin. All right, now secrets dump Vulnnet. Where am I at? rst.local dash user's name, white hat, password. Well, that will be it. At 10.66 162 165 and just DC user administrator. Hey, let's see what we got here. Right here, so I could copy that. And now that we have that, let's try to log in as administrator. Evil Windows Remote Manager dash I v10.66.162.165 user administrator. And this is going to be that hash. There. It's just taking a minute. Oh man, what happened? All right, now who am I? Ah, so this error we're having, let's go back into, let's find that secret dump. Secret dump. Oh, scroll down a little bit. So, this one. And let's go ahead, paste that back in, and redo that. There we go. Who am I? Administrator. There we go.